start, I'm going to do a little review of a step effector. Kind of creates like an after image of your motion. So I'm going to just do some animation with this cube here. So at the beginning of the movie, we'll just we'll go to coordinates and record it at that position, and then I'll scrub ahead and go to this position and lift it up and record that. And then maybe we'll record the rotation a little bit. So we'll have it start twisting actually back here. We'll have it recorded at 0. And then it moves to this position. And then at the end of the movie at frame 90, it'll go to 360 rotation. Oops, I did the wrong one. Let me undo that one. There we go, 360 rotation. And record that. And then we'll move the position over here and record that. Okay, so we record position and rotation, and then we'll watch it kind of spin around. We're doing like the middle, the end, and the beginning of the movie. I can even change its shape, like I could take it on the y-axis and squish it down and spread it out. That kind of thing. It's going to skip back to what it was before because it hasn't really been recorded yet. So I'm going to record it at the beginning with that, and then at the end I'll give it a 2.5, okay, and record that. So now we have some animation. There we go. So we're going to put that in a null object, because the cloner won't take the animation unless you do. So you go and create a null object, and you put your cube in the null object, and then we're going to create a cloner, and we'll put the null object in the cloner, and we're going to go to the cloner, and under movement over here, right there, we're going to just put it on 0. So it's just basically it's one clone there, and then we're going to do what is called a step effector. So we're going to go to step, and the step effector, we have a scale, we don't want that. And we want to do on the step effector a time offset, and we can go and increase the clones and kind of get a neat like after image type of an effect. You can even offset it a little bit. You can do other animation to it. For instance, I could go to transform and alter the angle, so it goes over to like a different spot, and all that. You know, I'm on the cloner. You can animate. Rats. All right. Put it back to normal. It's just kind of a cool effect to create sort of a little after image type of thing. Just a quickie, you know, extra thing. Do you have to make it squash? No. Could I, you know, have like just stopped the movie and gone to the animation where I'm squashing and stretching it? I don't have to do that. I put it back to 1. Re-record that. Um, so it just, the cube, I left the rotation on. It's kind of a neato effect. Could I do more to this? Sure, I could you know, add more frames to the movie. And remember, it ends at 90, so like frame 130, I could scrub over here and say that I want the cube to move over here now, and record that new position, and then from here I want it to go over to lift up and record that position, and then at the end I'll go back over here and down and record that position. It's kind of like doing I don't know why I'm making bionic noise. It's just sort of a fun effect to screw around with, and you can create like different original artwork. Sometimes, like tomorrow, I'll show you a new one called Mo Instance that does a very similar thing, where you can create like this, you know, sort of matrixy type of an effect. Sort of creates like an after image. So we'll do this one tomorrow, and then you'll have a couple in under your belt that you can use when you're designing your overall project. All right, so that's a little review of what we went over in class.